Hi, I am Abhrodip De of IIT Kharagpur. My roll number is 21 EC30002. My DIY group consists of myself, I am the captain, Pawan, Yashika, and Gaurav. Together, we have conceived this idea of the smart doctor's chamber, which will be very helpful during the time of this pandemic. So, it is used for touchless entry and exit, and also it limits the number of persons who can enter the chamber to prevent overcrowding. It is also energy efficient, as during high sunlight or when there is enough sunlight during the day, it will the internal lightings will remain off, and at night it will turn on. It has got two servo motors, two ultrasonic distance sensors, and then it has got LEDs, a piezo buzzer, a photoresistor, two 1 kilo ohm normal resistors, and to control them we have used Arduino Uno as the interface. So the working I will demonstrate, but before that let me just tell how it works. So the ultrasonic distance sensor, which is just beside the entry door, it will sense the distance of any patient who wants to come inside. If the patient comes within 30 centimeter of the ultrasonic sensor, the entry door will open. This is done by sending the signal from the ultrasonic sensor into the Arduino Uno, and from there a signal is fed into the servo motor, which rotates, which allows it to rotate it. And the same goes for the ultrasonic distance sensor, which is on the exit. So when any patient wants to come outside, the if he or she comes within 30 centimeter of it, the exit door will open. Now, ideally, the ultrasonic distance sensor on the exit, beside the exit door, should have actually been inside the model, but then we would not have been able to record it. So, to overcome this, we have, for demonstration purpose, we have put it on the outside. Now, there are two LEDs, actually three LEDs on the outside: a red LED, a green LED, and a blue LED. The green LED shows whether a person can come inside, means whether the full capacity of the chamber has been reached or not. If it has not been reached, the green LED will glow, which indicates that more patients can come inside. If the red LED glows, then it tells that the maximum limit of 5 patients has been reached, and the next patient has to wait before he or she can come in, and he has to wait till anybody leaves the chamber from the exit door. And the blue LED is used for lighting, and also there is a yellow LED which is also for the lighting. Along with it, the photoresistor will allow us to sense the external light, so that we can achieve our energy efficiency goal. The piezo buzzer will just ring when a person comes inside. It will ring for a short time, and also it will ring when a person exits. And if the chamber is up to its full capacity and still any person comes within 30 centimeter of the entry of the ultrasonic distance sensor beside the entry door, the piezo buzzer will ring with short bursts with a refresh rate of 0.2 second. So now let me just connect it and show how it works. Let us reset the model. Now let me just bring, now the green LED is on, which is indicating that patients can enter the chamber. Now the ultrasonic sensor on beside the entry door has sensed and thus has opened to allow persons to enter. person to enter, and it has again closed, and the blue LED is on, because now since a person is inside the chamber, it is for the internal lighting, and also the yellow LED is for the internal lighting. Now let me just bring it once again in front of the entry, and also the piezo buzzer rings as we have said earlier. Now let me show the exit. Now the exit ultrasonic sensor has sensed, and thus the door has opened, and it has also got closed. Now let me again show it. Another person has entered, and it got closed. Now 4 patients are inside the chamber, and still the green LED is on because it has not reached 5%. Now let me allow another person to enter. So the entry door has opened. Now see, the green LED has turned off and red LED is on. Now let me just make another patient exit. And again the red LED has turned to green to indicate that another patient can enter. Now let me again make another patient enter. Now the LED is turned red. Now let me show now when another patient tries to enter, when the red LED is on, the piezo buzzer will ring continuously. See, fantastic. Now the two the blue LED and the red LED and the yellow LED is on, because it is night time, and to demonstrate that it is day, I am bringing my flashlight, and you will see that these two LEDs turn off. So this was our model, and because of the pandemic, Pawan was not able to come today and join us during our recording, but during the earlier phase of making of this model, he was here to help us, and he has done a great job. And also Yashika and Pawan, they have also made fantastic contribution in terms of coding and telling the ideas of how to set up the model, and me and Pawan have made it reality. So thank you very much, and hope you liked it.